Okay, so in this video, how we gonna install Java SE Development Kit or JDK on Windows 10 using Chocolately, and yeah, let's just start it. So if you like doing some React, you already like stumbled this type of installation. You don't need to install like separately like old video that I made, something like that. And the easiest way to install this, if you have Chocolately installed on your system, this is how easy it is. So what is Chocolately? It's a package manager. So how are you gonna know if you have Chocolately? Type Choco. Yes, you have it. So copy this one, choco install.y, yes, node.js that open JDK. Copy that and paste it on here. Okay, so do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, so we have an error, so we need to run this as a administration. Close that. CMD. Or you can use your PowerShell if you install the Chocolately globally on your system. We're gonna run this a administrator right now. Click yes and copy the same one. Approve. Okay, so there's no error right now. And chocolate installed, repackage, and so on. Installed successfully. So you see the first error because I ran it without administrator. Now you know that they have an error, and you know you need to reinstall it if it's not installed as a administrator. So you know what? Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.